as I move on around here, I'm looking at the captain. The captain is out here using his his grill for the first time. Look at him, boy. What's happening, Captain? I don't know if he's good with those utensils or if I should be stepping back a little bit. I'm not sure. I don't know. I think he knows what he's doing. This is his first use of his new grill. We got a small one, the Blackstone. I think it's 17-inch. For the most part, it's just me and him that are out camping, so we don't need a whole lot of space for food. But I think he's doing a good job with these hash browns here. What say you?
What say you?
Let's get a little bit closer here.
Can you smell them? Let me put some smell. Put some smell up in there in the film.
All right, he's got his onions going there.
What say you?
Oh, look at him. Getting all fancy with the utensils. You having a good time, Captain? Oh, I don't know. Looking like a samurai or something. I don't know.
Let me get the shrimp so I can put it on that hand.
Ooh, stop. I'm out of here. I think it's time for me to go.
Put a shrimp on
Bye,
that
y'all.
hand.